Lautex is a Finnish company operating in Vihti in Nummela. We produce metal ceilings for the shipbuilding industry as well as for public buildings. We have been producing ceilings since 1951.
Lautex offers a wide range of stylish, high-quality, and easily installable metal ceilings with advantages such as hygiene, acoustics, fire safety, 100% recyclability, and a long lifespan. Our products have a CE classification, and for the maritime industry, we have fire-certified products with C, B0, and B15 ratings. Our selection includes panel, slat, cassette, and grille ceilings as complete suspended ceiling systems. In addition to painted and anodized finishes, our surface options include digitally printed, wood-patterned film-covered, and real wood veneered products. The technology above the ceiling is easily maintainable due to the convenient access to the ceiling structure. For decades, Lautex has supplied striking and high-quality metal ceilings for large cruise ships. Among the first was the Song of Norway, completed in 1970, and a splendid example of recent ships is the magnificent and colossal Icon of the Seas. The cornerstones of Lautex's quality and reliability are knowledgeable staff, extensive industry experience, and the latest production technology. We engage in intensive development work to meet the wishes of customers and space users. In recent years, we have heavily invested in our machinery. In our state-of-the-art painting facility using the latest technology, we can paint large pieces with hundreds of different colors. Lautex's elegant indoor ceilings contribute to creating beautiful and comfortable spaces in a sustainable manner, promoting the well-being of people.